Are you tired of struggling with uneven heating and slow cooking times? Do you find yourself constantly battling with burners that won't light properly or maintain consistent temperatures? If you're in the market for a new gas cooktop that can transform your cooking experience, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the 7 best gas cooktops on the market, testing everything from budget-friendly options to premium professional-grade models. Let's count down from number 7 to our top pick and discover which gas cooktop deserves a place in your kitchen. 7. TOPWISH HG003. Starting our countdown at number 7, we have the TOPWISH HG003, a budget-oriented option that attempts to deliver basic gas cooking functionality at an attractive price point. This cooktop features a compact design with multiple burners and claims to offer both natural gas and propane compatibility. During our testing period, we found that while the unit does provide functional cooking capabilities, there are several areas where it falls short of expectations, particularly when compared to higher-end models. The build quality of the TOPWISH HG003 immediately raises concerns upon unboxing. The materials feel somewhat flimsy, and the overall construction lacks the robust feel you'd expect even from a budget cooktop. The burner grates, while functional, have a tendency to shift during cooking, which can be frustrating when trying to move heavy pots and pans across the surface. We noticed that the ignition system, while it works, requires multiple attempts to light the burners consistently, especially after the unit has been sitting and used for extended periods. Performance-wise, the TOPWISH HG003 struggles with heat distribution and temperature control. The burners tend to create hot spots rather than providing even heating across the bottom of cookware. This uneven heating becomes particularly problematic when trying to cook delicate items like eggs or when searing meats, where consistent temperature is crucial. Additionally, the lowest heat settings still run quite hot, making it challenging to perform tasks that require gentle simmering or keeping food warm without overcooking. 6. Amzgachfktch GH003-244G. Moving up to number 6, we encounter the Amzgachfktch GH003-244G, a 24-inch 4-burner gas cooktop that positions itself as a mid-range option with tempered glass surface and dual fuel capability. This model attempts to bridge the gap between budget and premium options, but our extensive testing revealed a mixed bag of results that prevent it from ranking higher on our list. The GH003-244G features a black tempered glass surface that certainly looks sleek and modern in any kitchen setting. The unit comes with 4 burners offering different BTU outputs. One 10,500 BTU burner, 2 6,414 BTU burners, and one 3,071 BTU burner, providing a total of 26,399 BTU across all burners. While these specifications look impressive on paper, the real-world performance tells a different story. During our cooking tests, we found that the burners, while capable of producing adequate heat, lack the precision and consistency found in higher-end models. One of the most significant issues we encountered with this model is the quality of the cast iron grates. While the manufacturer claims they feature a unique 8-claw structure that's stronger than traditional designs, we found that the grates tend to wobble and don't sit as securely as they should. This instability becomes particularly noticeable when cooking with heavier cookware or when trying to slide pans across the surface. The melt-proof knobs, while featuring child protection locks, feel somewhat cheap and require more force than necessary to operate smoothly. 5. Deli-Kit DK257-A03. At number 5, we have the Deli-Kit DK257-A03, a cooktop that begins to show the quality improvements you get when stepping up from the budget category. This model has garnered attention in the market for offering a good balance of features and performance at a reasonable price point. Our testing revealed that while it's not without its limitations, it represents a significant step up from the lower-ranked options. The Deli-Kit DK257-A03 features a stainless steel construction that immediately feels more substantial and professional compared to the previous models on our list. The build quality is noticeably improved, with better fitting components and a more robust overall feel. The burner configuration provides versatile cooking options, and during our testing, we found that the heat distribution, while not perfect, is considerably more even than what we experienced with the lower-ranked models. One of the standout features of this cooktop is its ignition system, which proved to be much more reliable during our extended testing period. The burners light consistently on the first attempt, and we didn't experience the frustrating multiple-click scenarios that plagued some of the cheaper options. The flame control is also more precise, allowing for better temperature management across a wider range of cooking techniques. The sealed burner design makes cleaning significantly easier, and spills are contained rather than falling into the interior of the unit. This practical feature became particularly appreciated during our testing of Messier cooking tasks. 4. Empava 30-inch Gas Cooktop. Climbing to number 4, we encounter the Empava 30-inch Gas Cooktop, a model that truly begins to showcase what modern gas cooking technology can achieve. This 5-burner cooktop represents a significant leap in both build quality and performance, featuring world-class made-in-Italy Sabaf burners that deliver professional-level cooking capabilities for the home kitchen. The Empava cooktop immediately impresses with its stainless steel construction and thoughtful design elements. The unit features 5 burners with varying BTU outputs: an 18,000 BTU triple ring burner, 2 12,000 BTU rapid burners, a 9,500 BTU semi-rapid burner, and a 6,000 BTU auxiliary burner 4. This configuration provides exceptional versatility, allowing everything from rapid boiling to gentle simmering. During our testing, we found that the powerful center burner could bring large pots of water to a boil in remarkably quick time, while the smaller burners offered excellent control for delicate cooking tasks. The Sabaf burners, imported from Italy, represent a significant upgrade in both performance and reliability. These burners feature advanced flame failure thermocouple technology that provides automatic shutoff protection, ensuring safety while maintaining consistent performance. The flame distribution is notably more even than lower-ranked models, reducing hot spots and providing more predictable cooking results. We particularly appreciated the precision of temperature control, which allowed for techniques like caramelizing and sauce reduction that require very specific heat levels. Installation and setup proved straightforward, thanks to the included LPG/NG conversion kit and pre-installed power cord. Securing the third position is the Amzgachfktch HG001-305S, a premium gas cooktop that demonstrates how advanced engineering and quality materials can elevate the home cooking experience. This model represents a significant step up in both sophistication and performance, offering features and capabilities that begin to rival professional-grade equipment. The HG001-305S showcases exceptional build quality with its heavy-duty stainless steel construction and precision-engineered components. The cooktop features a well-thought-out burner configuration that provides optimal spacing for large cookware while maintaining efficiency for smaller pots and pans. During our extensive testing, we were consistently impressed by the unit's ability to maintain precise temperature control across all burners simultaneously, a capability that proves invaluable during complex meal preparation. The ignition system on this model is virtually flawless, providing instant, reliable lighting every time. The electronic ignition responds immediately to control input, and we never experience the delays or multiple attempts that can frustrate cooking workflows. The flame control is exceptionally precise, allowing for minute adjustments that enable advanced cooking techniques requiring specific temperature management. One of the standout features is the cooktop's exceptional heat distribution. The burners provide remarkably even heating across the entire bottom surface of cookware, eliminating the hot spots that can cause uneven cooking or burning. This even heat distribution proved particularly valuable when cooking delicate items like fish, or when preparing dishes that require consistent temperature throughout the cooking surface. 2. GE Profile PGP7036SLSS. Taking the runner-up position is the GE Profile PGP7036SLSS, a 36-inch powerhouse that brings professional-grade performance to the home kitchen. This cooktop represents decades of engineering excellence from one of America's most trusted appliance manufacturers, and our testing confirmed that it delivers on its promises of superior performance and reliability. The PGP7036SLSS features an impressive 5-burner configuration, headlined by an 18,000 BTU power boil burner that delivers intense heat for rapid boiling and high-temperature cooking techniques. During our testing, this powerful burner consistently brought large pots of water to a rolling boil faster than any other model we evaluated. The remaining burners, including a precise simmer burner, provide excellent versatility for various cooking needs, from gentle sauce preparation to high-heat searing. The build quality is exceptional, with heavy-cast, edge-to-edge grates that provide superior stability and allow effortless movement of cookware across the entire surface. These dishwasher-safe grates are not only practical, but also demonstrate the attention to detail that sets this model apart from lesser competitors. The sealed burner design contains spills effectively and makes cleanup quick and efficient, while the white LED backlit knobs provide both functional visibility and an upscale appearance. Consumer Reports testing confirms the PGP7036SLSS's excellent performance in both high-heat and low-heat applications. The cooktop excels at rapid boiling, while also demonstrating superior capability for maintaining low, even temperatures for delicate cooking tasks. This versatility makes it equally suitable for everyday family cooking and more demanding culinary projects that require precise temperature control. 1. Thermador SGSX365TS. Claiming the top spot in our countdown is the Thermador SGSX365TS masterpiece, a cooktop that truly redefines what's possible in home gas cooking. This premium appliance represents the pinnacle of gas cooktop technology, combining innovative design with uncompromising performance to deliver a cooking experience that rivals professional kitchens. The SGSX365TS features Thermador's patented star burner technology, which provides 56% more flame coverage than traditional round burners. This innovative design creates superior heat distribution with reduced cold spots, resulting in more even cooking and better control over every culinary technique. During our extensive testing, we were consistently amazed by the precision and responsiveness of these burners, which allowed for cooking techniques that simply weren't possible with conventional designs. The Cooktop's 5-burner configuration includes a powerful 16,000 BTU center burner and 2 extra-low select burners that provide unprecedented control for delicate cooking tasks. The extra-low feature cycles the burner on and off to maintain extremely low temperatures, perfect for melting chocolate, preparing delicate sauces, or keeping food warm without scorching. This level of control opens up new possibilities for home cooks who want to master advanced techniques. Build quality is absolutely exceptional, with premium materials and precision engineering evident in every component. The continuous grates are substantial and perfectly balanced, providing rock-solid stability while allowing effortless cookware movement. The electronic reignition system ensures that burners automatically relight if the flame is extinguished, providing both safety and convenience. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.